Welcome back to another video of Cooking with Carusa. Today we're going to learn how to make gluten-free chicken-flavored ramen. First, let's start with the seasoning. You will need 2 tablespoons poultry seasoning, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 2 tablespoons chicken-flavored bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. In a bowl, combine all of the ingredients. Set the spice mixture aside. Fill a medium-sized pot with 5 cups of water, then boil it. Once the water is boiling, add a handful of gluten-free noodles. I use stir-fry rice noodles. Cook the noodles for 5 minutes, occasionally stirring. Once they're done cooking, portion the noodles into 2 bowls. Dump out 2 cups of the pasta water, leaving you with 3 cups. Now add the seasoning to the water. I recommend 2 tablespoons. Divide the broth evenly between the 2 bowls, which is about 1.5 cups each. Thanks for watching!